discuss this with criminal defense attorney SARA Azari. And SARA, defendants in these new lawsuits include 2 teachers and 2 counselors. What's the likelihood this lawsuit is successful?
Yeah, Anna, we have seen in past school shootings that schools and school administrators and school districts are liable. And here we have a set of very egregious facts that point to liability. To me, the question is not so much the liability as it is damages and recovery, right? Because here we have 2 sisters whose parents are asking for $100 million. One, of course, is injured, not clear what her injuries are, but they both survived this tragedy, right? And we have to remember that there's limited resources here. We have the school district, which would potentially cover the teachers as well. And then we have the Crumbleys, who presumably have limited resources, limited insurance coverage. And I think the priority is going to be to pay the survivors of the victims, the 4 who lost their lives, and then those who were actually injured before you get to any payoffs to, other bystanders. I mean, I think, we can ask, the sky's the limit in terms of what we ask for in a lawsuit, but what we recover is based on valuation and proof in a court of law.
Okay, I also want to ask you about the Jussie Smollett trial as we await a verdict. Jury began deliberations yesterday, no verdict yet. What does that tell you?
In every case, we're on pins and needles. I expected a swift verdict in this case, and pretty soon swift is no longer going to be swift, but it's hard to tell. We don't know if there's stragglers that could lead to a hung jury. We don't know if they're stuck on a particular issue. But to me, the law and the facts, Anna, are both very clear here. The law is, we have the same set of instructions for 6 counts. They're identical counts: disorderly conduct. We don't have convoluted elements. We don't have lesser crimes. And the facts are simple. Do we believe the far-fetched, implausible accounts and things he didn't explain that Smollett testified to? Or do we believe the prosecution's case, which is not just the brothers' testimony, but their accounts explaining the DMs, the text messages, the surveillance footage? And to me, that issue has always been very clear, but of course, strange things can happen.
We'll watch. We'll wait. You're there for us if it happens during the rest of this hour. Thank you, as always, SARA Azari.
Thanks, Anna.